Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In today's class, we are going to learn about a powerful reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. It is a powerful reducing agent because it can reduce aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, amides, acid chlorides, alkyl halides, alkyl azides, and nitro compounds. All these reduction reactions are very useful for board exams and also competitive exams like NEET and IIT exams. So listen carefully. Say this. First of all, it's a structure. It is a powerful reducing agent. Powerful LiAlH4 is a powerful reducing agent. If we see its structure, in this 4 hydrogen atoms are attached to the aluminum in a tetrahedral manner. Say this, tetrahedral arrangement of hydrogens around aluminum atom. Around aluminum in AlH4 minus ion. The hybridization of aluminum is sp3. Okay, see the structure. This is aluminum, hydrogen. So this is tetrahedral arrangement. Central atom is aluminum, 4 hydrogen atoms arranged in a tetrahedral manner. Hybridization of aluminum is sp3. Now see the preparation. How can we prepare this LiAlH4? It's very simple reaction. LiAlH4 is prepared by the reaction between lithium hydride and aluminum chloride. Reaction is LiH plus AlCl3 gives rise to LiAlH4 plus LiCl. So balance the equation. 4 hydrogens are there, 4, then lithium balance 3 Li. Okay, this is lithium aluminum hydride and reactants are lithium hydride LiH. So reaction between lithium hydride LiH and aluminum chloride gives rise to LiAlH4. 4 LiH plus AlCl3 gives rise to LiAlH4 plus 3 LiCm. This is lithium chloride. Now see the reaction conditions. When this LiAlH4 is used as a reducing agent, that means while conducting chemical reaction with this reagent, what are the suitable conditions? What is the suitable solvent and each and everything you will learn here. So LiAlH4 reacts violently with water when it is exposed to the moisture. Any small moisture is in contact with LiAlH4, then reaction takes place violently and releases hydrogen gas. Reaction between LiAlH4 and water is LiAlH4 plus H2O gives rise to LiOH plus AlOH thrice plus hydrogen. Here balance the equation, 4H2O, 4H2. Okay, so in this way this reaction takes place violently. That's why we should take care of LiAlH4 without contact of moisture. It should be preserved without contact of moisture. That means in the inert atmosphere we have to conduct reduction reactions with LiAlH4. So inert atmosphere means generally anhydrous non-protic solvents. Anhydrous non-protic solvents are suitable like diethyl ether, THF, tetrahydrofuran. These type of solvents are suitable for LiAlH4 reduction reactions. Okay, now say this: aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids and some other functional groups all are containing C double bond O group. So these are simply called carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds means the organic compound which contains C double bond O group. Those are called carbonyl compounds. So with these carbonyl compounds, the reactivity order for this LiAlH4 is, see here, the reactivity of carbonyl compounds. The reactivity of carbonyl compounds with LiAlH4 is given below. Aldehydes greater reactivity than ketones, having more reactivity than ester, which are more reactive than amides, which are more reactive than carboxylic acids. So in all these compounds, this group is common. This is nothing but carbonyl group. So with LiAlH4, the reactivity of these compounds is aldehydes greater than ketones, greater than esters, greater than amides, greater than carboxylic acids. Aldehydes have high reactivity with LiAlH4. Carboxylic acids have least reactivity with LiAlH4. Now see the applications. First one, LiAlH4 can reduce aldehydes to primary alcohols. Suitable solvent is ether, H3O plus. Primary alcohols, this one. This is primary alcohol. So when aldehydes are reduced with lithium aluminum hydride, then we can get primary alcohols. Aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohols with LiAlH4. Take an example. Propionaldehyde, CH3, CH2, CHO. This compound is reduced with LiAlH4. Then we can get primary alcohol. What is the primary alcohol in this case? CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Propyl alcohol. This is primary alcohol. This is propionaldehyde. So in this way, aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohols. Next, second one is LiAlH4 can reduce ketones to secondary alcohols. Ketones general formula RC double bond OR reduced with lithium aluminum hydride. Then we can get secondary alcohols as the product. RC OH HR. This is secondary alcohol. Now take an example. CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. What is the name? Butane 2-one. Butane 2-one. This butane 2-one is reduced with lithium aluminum hydride dissolved in ether, followed by the hydrolysis in presence of acid, that is represented as H3O plus. H3O plus means hydrolysis in presence of dilute mineral acids. Then we can get secondary alcohol CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. What is the name? Butane 2-one. So in this way, ketones are reduced to secondary alcohols with lithium aluminum hydride. Now see the mechanism for these two reactions. It's very simple mechanism. Now by taking general formula, we will see the mechanism of these reactions. LiAlH4. Now from this compound, hydrogen is removed as hydride. This is this one. Okay. Take ketones general formula RCr double bond O gives rise to this ketone is treated with LiAlH4. This one positive charge and here negative charge. This hydrogen in the form of hydride means H minus, is nucleophilic attack takes place at this carbon. Then we can get this type of attachment, hydrogen O Al H3 Li. From this hydride, H minus is shifted to carbon atom, pi electrons are shifted to this one, then remaining part is attached to oxygen in this manner. Now this species attacked on another ketone molecule, then from this one hydrogen is attacked at this carbon, then we can get this one hydrogen O Al. That means from this another hydrogen I am writing like this. See here AlH3 I am writing in this way, AlH2 hydrogen. From this H minus attacked at this carbon position and remaining this part is attacked to this oxygen. Then we can get this one RH. Here lithium is also there, H. Okay, and next one, here two more hydrogen atoms are there, so this species can attack two more molecules of ketone. Then these two hydrogen atoms are also attacked at this carbon atom in the same manner. Then we can get finally four ketone molecules attacked to this AlHI. Okay, this one students, understand carefully. This is ketone, LiAlH4. I am writing in this way. From this hydride ion acts as a nucleophile, then nucleophilic attack takes place at this carbon. This hydrogen attaches to this carbon, a remaining part attached to this oxygen in this way. Next, from this AlH3 I am writing like this, AlH2 hydrogen. This species attacks on another acetone molecule, another ketone molecule. That means this hydride ion attacks to this carbon atom and the remaining part to this oxygen. Then we can get this one. Now this species can attack on two more ketone molecules because aluminum having two more hydrogens. Then finally we can get 4 ketone groups attached to this aluminum. Now this compound on hydrolysis in presence of dilute acid, we can get secondary alcohol, that is this one, plus LiCl plus AlCl3. So this is the simple mechanism for acetones with LiAlH4. Reduction of aldehydes with LiAlH4 also follows similar type of mechanism. Only one difference is there. In case of ketones, 2 alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl. In case of aldehydes, only 1 alkyl group. In this place, hydrogen atom is there. Remaining, everything is same. So this is the mechanism for aldehydes and ketones with LiAlH4. Thank you, students.